I'm Julijonas Urbonas from Lithuania, and this piece is called Euthanasia Coaster. It's basically a euthanasia machine in the form of roller coaster, engineered to humanely with euphoria and pleasure kill a human being. It features a series of various pleasurable and thrilling experiences like G-forces produced by certain elements of a roller coaster. The death here occurs due to extreme G-forces produced by certain elements of a roller coaster. The coaster features two key parts. One is a drop tower, and another part is a series of loop elements. You are towed up to the top of a drop tower. You fall down 500 meters to achieve such a kinetic energy to ride through the loops, to be exposed for 1 minute under 10 G force. Your blood is rushed towards lower extremities, so there is lack of blood in your brain, so your brain starts to suffocate. And when it starts to suffocate, usually people become euphoric because brain concentrates on the very vital bodily activities. And it's not a fiction. Pilots usually are trained in human centrifuges to experience that. And you can see in a video they faint. It's so-called G-log, G-force-induced loss of consciousness. To see the difference between the experiences of pilots and astronauts and the experience of rider, usually pilots experience such extreme forces just for a few seconds, while in the roller coaster the rider would experience for 1 minute. So nobody has experienced this for such a long time. Take existing euthanasia machines or rituals. These are medicalized, secularized, sterilized. In roller coaster, I introduce a ritual of doing that. So ritual is brought back to the contemporary description of death. So in this case of speculating about the future, you might see it as alternative euthanasia machine for future human beings, either for dealing with overpopulation or if your life becomes too long.